Whoa, landslide.
You must be thinking, how did it get this bad? Well, the answer is life happened and I ignored.
Same as the 1,000 mails that I never even opened.
This is basically like my brain right now. Full of stuff I thought I would need, I thought I would keep it, and some old stuff.
So today, we are not just cleaning, we are decluttering. Clothes, thoughts, ideas, plans, all of it. Because mess is a mess, whether it's in your cupboard, in your head, or in your life. People always think the first step to planning is, planning. Writing down goals, buying cute stationery. No. The first step is making space. Think about it. You can't put a book on a shelf that's already full. Same way, you can't fill your brain that's already full.
Decluttering is like meeting your past self. Like this top I bought in 2021. I thought I would wear it all the time. And now, it doesn't even fit me.
Same goes with your thoughts, ideas, and dreams.
But sometimes you have to ask, do I still use this? Do I even like it? Does it still fit?
And that's what I did. I decluttered all the things which I don't need in my life, like some freelance projects which are taking my time, my energy, some thoughts, ideas which are not aligning with my future, and some people who just stole my peace of mind.
And then the moment comes. Everything's folded. Your brain feels lighter. You are like, wow, I have changed. This is my organized era. And then a week later, you open the cupboard and chaos again. Because here's the truth. Mess comes back. Always.
I'm not saying that you need to be organized all the time, but at least you will understand that what you need and what you don't need in your life. Oh, lesson number 2. Decluttering is a part of living. We make space, we fill it, we make space again. But if you don't declutter, new things won't have space to come into your life, and good things will get buried under. So declutter that chaos in your mind and make way for new things. That's how life happens. See you next Sunday. Bye.